Frying food at home can be a daunting task, often accompanied by messy oil splatters and inconsistent cooking results. This Hamilton Beach electric deep fryer aims to change that by offering a user-friendly, efficient, and safe frying experience. With its cool touch sides, adjustable temperature control, and easy-to-clean design, this deep fryer promises to make home frying a breeze. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Hamilton Beach electric deep fryer, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your kitchen. Upon unboxing the Hamilton Beach electric deep fryer, you'll immediately notice its compact yet robust design. The black exterior, with cool touch sides, gives it a sleek and modern appearance, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen decor. The fryer comes with a nonstick basket, a lid with a viewing window, and a user manual. The first impression is of a well-designed, practical appliance built for everyday use. The Hamilton Beach electric deep fryer is designed with user convenience in mind. The cool touch sides are a standout feature, protecting you from accidental burns during the cooking process. The deep fryer's sturdy construction ensures durability, while the black exterior adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The 2-liter oil capacity is perfect for frying up to 6 cups of food, making it ideal for small to medium-sized meals. Key features. Safety is a priority when dealing with hot oil, and the Hamilton Beach deep fryer addresses this with its cool touch sides. This feature ensures that you can safely handle the fryer without the risk of burns, even when it's operating at high temperatures. Equipped with an immersed heating element, this deep fryer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. This means less waiting time and more perfectly fried food. Whether you're making French fries, chicken tenders, or donuts, you can expect quick and even cooking results. The adjustable temperature control is a key feature that sets this deep fryer apart. With a range from 265 degrees to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize the frying temperature based on the type of food you're cooking. The ready light indicator lets you know when the oil has reached the desired temperature, taking the guesswork out of frying. The lid is designed to minimize oil splatters, keeping your kitchen clean and safe. The viewing window allows you to monitor the cooking process without opening the lid, ensuring that your food cooks evenly without making a mess. Cleaning up after frying can be a hassle, but the Hamilton Beach deep fryer makes it easy. The removable lid, heating element, and enamel-coated oil tank are all designed for easy cleanup. Most components are dishwasher-safe, making the post-cooking process quick and effortless. With a 2-liter oil capacity, this fryer is perfect for preparing small to medium-sized meals. You can fry up to 6 cups of French fries or chicken tenders in one go, making it ideal for family dinners or small gatherings. The basket's hooks allow for convenient draining and food removal, further enhancing its practicality. The Hamilton Beach deep fryer delivers consistent cooking results thanks to its powerful 1500-watt heating element. The adjustable temperature control ensures that different types of food are cooked to perfection. Whether you're frying crispy chicken wings, delicate fish fillets, or golden onion rings, you can expect delicious and evenly cooked results every time. The Hamilton Beach electric deep fryer is designed for ease of use. The adjustable temperature dial and ready light indicator make it simple to achieve the perfect frying temperature. The viewing window in the lid allows you to monitor your food without opening the fryer, reducing the risk of splatters and burns. The cool touch sides add an extra layer of safety, making this fryer a user-friendly appliance for any home cook. Maintaining this deep fryer is straightforward. The removable parts are easy to clean, and the non-stick basket prevents food from sticking, making it easier to clean after use. The breakaway cord adds convenience, allowing for easy storage when the fryer is not in use. Safety is a major consideration when using a deep fryer, and the Hamilton Beach model excels in this area. The cool touch sides protect against accidental burns, while the special lid design minimizes oil splatters. The viewing window allows you to monitor your food without opening the lid, reducing the risk of oil splatters. Additionally, the stable base ensures that the fryer remains securely in place during use. Hamilton Beach is known for its reliable products and excellent customer service. This deep fryer comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. The customer support team is readily available to assist with any questions or concerns, ensuring a positive customer experience. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that makes home frying easy and enjoyable. Its cool touch sides, adjustable temperature control, and easy-to-clean design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a frying novice, this deep fryer offers a convenient way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the hassle and mess of traditional stovetop frying. If you're looking to elevate your home cooking experience with a versatile and efficient deep fryer, the Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer is definitely worth considering. Its combination of performance, safety, and convenience makes it a standout choice in the market. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.